Today we're taking you on an exciting journey through Seattle's best attractions that you won't want to miss, whether you're a tourist or a local looking to explore your own city.
From costumes, lightsabers, and props that they use in the movies, you can find them here.
Skylar, made it at the top! Skylar, are you okay?
Are you frozen? And we're also trying out this new service called City Pass, which is essentially a way you can get discounted tickets to a number of attractions here in Seattle. More details in the video. Hey guys! So as a change of scenery for our little family, we thought of driving down here to Seattle. And we're visiting 3 of the best spots here in Seattle, which is pretty exciting. It's great because we don't have to drive around Seattle. It's all co-located in the same kind of area called Seattle Center. And this one specifically is called the Chihuly Gardens and Glass.
So the Chihuly Garden and Glass is this place in Seattle where you can see magical glass art and luscious gardens. We're not sure how much we can enjoy the garden outside since it's raining, but it's a good thing that there's an indoor portion where we can enjoy all of the glass art.
So before coming here to Chihuly Garden and Glass, we kind of knew that we were going to enter a museum. So there's going to be lots of exhibits around the place. But we were still kind of blown away, right? With the amount of creativity that we've seen inside. There's lots of artwork that we've never thought that we've seen made in glass.
It's also amazing that each room there is a theme and you can read the creator's story behind it.
Before heading out to the garden, we made sure to get our free photos from the kiosk.
The weather finally cooperated and now we're here at the garden.
So I guess the glass art isn't exclusively indoors because we can see a lot of glass art in the garden as well. Just look at all this, right?
Yeah, the colors are popping out of the garden.
As part of the experience, they also had a show that highlights how some of these glass arts are made. Yeah, all cozy in there, huh, Sky?
All snuggled up.
Looking like a burrito.
Yeah.
Yeah? So I'm gonna give you, Skylar, a clue on where we're gonna go later. It's high. You can see a 360 view of Seattle. And you kind of see it from this point. So after going around the Chihuly Gardens, we tried to look for lunch. And luckily here at the Seattle Center, they kind of packed it with all of the restaurants. We didn't find it hard to find one. But we found ourselves here at the Seattle Armory, which is kind of like an event center. And we were just kind of surprised because we kind of felt like we stepped into another country. Don't you feel that this is like the best parts of travel? Like when you plan something, but something unplanned just happened.
Yeah, something great.
So it turns out that they're celebrating the Hmong New Year. And personally, I'm not too familiar with the Hmong people. Are you?
No. And especially it's just the first week of November and they're celebrating New Year already.
But we started seeing all of these people dressed in nice, beautiful cultural outfits. So we just started following them and we ended up here. They had like cultural dance presentations, shops, everything.
And Skylar is just passed out while everything is happening.
But after Googling, the Hmong people is a cultural minority group that originated from China but has then migrated to the other countries such as Vietnam, Thailand, and Burma.
So for lunch, we just had some tacos here at the Blue Water Taco Grill.
And honestly, the food wasn't the best, but at least we get to sit down, have some lunch, while Skylar takes her nap. So I think it's this building right here.
Wow.
The next one.
It looks very unique.
Yeah, I guess it's one of the more iconic buildings here in Seattle, eh? Because it's unique outside. Unique and colorful. So cool in here, eh?
So nice.
Photographs.
Look, he decided to join us.
Yeah? Don't wanna get left out, eh? So next up, which is not too far from the Chihuly Gardens, we're diving right into the fascinating world of pop culture by visiting MoPOP. You know what MoPOP is, Skylar? MoPOP stands for Museum of Pop Culture.
It's super cool. Right as you enter, it's like entering a sci-fi world. There's like flying cars, dragons, and colorful lights. And I think Skylar is loving it.
Yeah, I think she's enjoying the lights.
Yeah.
So if you guys are fans of movies from back in the day, like even the remakes, I highly recommend coming to this place because they have exhibits of those iconic movies. From costumes, lightsabers, and props that they use in the movies, you can find them here, and it's pretty amazing to see. That one was pretty cool. Just because I'm a big fan of Star Wars as well, that prop right there was the lightsaber in the hand, or the prop that was used when Luke's hand was severed from his body.
Oh, there's a teddy bear. I remember watching this movie back in the day. It's called The AI. And it's way back 2001. Skylar. Look at the bear. You cannot bring home the bear.
So it looks like, Skylar, we're gonna have to do some catching up because I haven't personally watched AI yet.
No, you have to watch it. I thought it was all guitars, but then there's a piano over there.
Yeah, I think I saw a tambourine and a drum too.
Oh my gosh. That's amazing. From this point of view, it feels like it's going to tumble over you. So we've entered the place where you can see lots of game exhibits, lots of computer games that you can freely play with it. And Nat and Skylar is having fun.
It's a giant storybook, Skylar. Finger hurt. Finger hurt.
I think this is Skylar's favorite part of the museum.
Yeah. What an entrance, eh?
What a door.
A storybook door. Skylar, there's a dragon. So sad. Oh my god. This place is so immersive.
This is my favorite part in the museum.
Yeah, if there's one regret for today is not putting more time here at the Museum of Pop Culture.
Yeah, I can spend hours just reading every article in there.
And especially we're big fans of like movies from nowadays. I feel like we would have enjoyed this more if we had more time exploring some of the other galleries, because this gallery is only the fantasy. There's 2 other galleries that we have no time to explore today, unfortunately. I think we should at least plan to come back. So we just asked, there is a chance of re-entry. So if we do get the energy later after this one last stop, we're gonna come back here at MoPOP.
Yeah.
All you gotta do to re-entry is rescan your ticket, which is really handy with the City Pass app.
There's a lineup.
Sorry, Sky.
No strollers are allowed. So we just have to leave the baby. I need the stroller.
Park the baby over here. Right there. So I guess this last one, you could probably tell where we're going. This is arguably the most iconic attraction here in Seattle. And it's our first time. So we actually thought that we were gonna be here for a while because there's a long lineup, but it turns out that they have 2 elevators, so we're already in front of the line.
Howdy, folks. Go right on this side in the front. Stand side by side, face that way.
Okay.
Right there.
Guys, it's my birthday.
Woo!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Yeah,
Thus we gotta sing happy birthday.
okay. Yeah, can I record it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
I love our
you.
fans.
Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
After 605 feet and a birthday song later, we have made it to the top of the Space Needle. That's the funnest elevator ride ever.
It's fun, huh?
Is it my birthday?
It's so cool! Skylar made it at the top! Yay! Skylar,
Skylar,
are you okay?
are you frozen? Welcome to the Space Needle, Skylar!
Woohoo! You made it on top!
So this is definitely a must visit when coming here to Seattle, and it's called Space Needle. It was built in the 1960s and has been an iconic attraction here in Seattle.
This also marks Skylar's first observation tower at
Yeah.
10 months!
So we've been to the CN Tower in Toronto and the one in Calgary, the Calgary Tower. But this is one, I guess, the more beautiful ones because it's right by the coast, so you see the ocean and also you see the city of Seattle. It's extra special for us as well because it's the first one with Skylar.
With Skylar!
Skylar, are you not scared?
Skylar's so brave!
Wow, Skylar's reward for being so brave.
A snack! Yeah!
So we're back inside after being so blown away from the wind and the coldness outside. But in the meantime, I want to tell you guys about City Pass and how we save on our tickets today. So we essentially just crafted our itinerary depending on the attractions that they have in the website, and that's for a discounted price. So it's essentially just a way for you guys to save when you guys are visiting Seattle as well, or even some of the cities that they have covered. So for more information, click the link below. Look down, Skyler. So it was amazing taking you guys around some of the best attractions here in Seattle, and we have one more Seattle video coming your way.
But for now, leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye!
Bye!